Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your earnings with Cash App, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're on the home screen, look for the icon that resembles a bank or a wallet. Tap on that icon to access your Cash App balance. Scroll down to find the Activity tab located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Activity to view your transactions. In the Activity section, you'll see a detailed list of all your recent transactions. Look for the specific transaction you want to verify. Tap on that transaction to see more details. This will show you the amount received or sent, along with the date and time. To verify your total earnings, return to the main balance screen. Make a note of your current balance displayed at the top. If you need a transaction history for a specific period, go back to the Activity tab. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner to access additional settings. Select Export or Send to generate a report of your transactions. Choose your preferred method for receiving this report, such as email. Open the report to review detailed earnings over your chosen timeframe. If necessary, calculate your total earnings using the details provided in the report. Keep this information for your records, especially for tax purposes. Make sure your Cash App is updated to the latest version for the best experience. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Cash App support for assistance. Follow these steps regularly to stay informed about your earnings and transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.